All right, here I have a 2025 Nissan Rogue and has 1.5 liter engine. I'm gonna show how to do the oil change. They're pretty simple. Your oil fill and your dipstick are right here on the passenger side, and then looking for the bottom, it has this cover, and it has a bunch of clips. All the blue circles are the clips that you need to take off, plastic clips, and then the two red circles are two 10mm bolts. And then once you take it off, your drain plug is right there, and there's your oil filter. It's a 14mm bolt, and then when you put it back, you want to torque it to the correct spec, because what's been happening a lot is the entire threaded insert pulls out with the bolt at the next oil change. And then there's nothing you can do. You have to change the oil pan, and it's been happening a lot on these plastic oil pans on these Nissans, so just be careful with that. You want to fill it up to 5 quarts, 0W20, full synthetic. All right, and then to reset the oil life, you want to use these buttons here. You want to go to the side. Just go all the way to the side where this little gear is. You want to click OK, that middle button. And then you want to scroll down using that middle button too. Scroll down to maintenance, press OK. And then there's your oil life. The first one, oil control system, just press OK, go down, press OK. And then there's another one, which is oil and filter. And that one you can set it to whatever you want. Like this one's set at 5,000 miles. The oil control system one is set into the computer. There's no way to change it or remove it. And it's there. That way you don't forget to do your oil changes, or if you don't set it up. So if you have any questions, just let me know.